Hello everyone, my name is Amantha. I'm here to share the experience I had with Dream English Education. On this platform, you can find tons of practice questions, and once you complete the mock test, you are pretty confident and you can achieve your desired score. In order to achieve your desired score, you have to put your 110%, not 90%, not even 95%. You have to put your 110%. Once you complete your mock test, there are 5 mock tests on the platform, and once you complete, Mr. Alex, he's the greatest teacher I ever met on my life. He will go through your mock test and he will give you the feedback. Then you can improve. You can find yourself what are the weaknesses and what are the strengths. Then also he will let you know when you are ready to take your real exam. Always keep in touch with Mr. Alex and he will let you know everything what you need. Even if you complete all your mock tests, if you want more mock tests you want to do, then he will let you know and he will help you with that as well. I'm always recommending you, Dream English Education is the best English platform you can do practice questions and you do to do your mock tests, because he's not only chasing behind money, he's here to help you all the time. Thank you so much, Dream English Education.